Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abhor. It's pronounced abhor, and it is spelt A-B-H-O-R. Think ab and then hor. Abhor means to regard with disgust and hatred. For example, you could say, I abhor snakes. The word abhor comes from the Latin abhorrere, which means to shrink back from, have an aversion for, or shudder at. If you abhor something, you might shrink back or shudder at the sight or thought of it because of your disgust and hatred towards that thing. In Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Dr. Frankenstein brings to life a creature made of body parts and electricity. The doctor hates his monster, and eventually, when the two face off against each other, the creature cries, "You, my creator, abhor me." Abhor here is used to show how the doctor was disgusted by the monster he had created. He hated it and regretted bringing it to life. Abhor is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, I abhor broccoli. Now we all know that's a very silly thing to say, of course. Abhor is defined in the dictionary as to hate a way of behaving or thinking, often because you think it's not moral or there's something seriously wrong with it. Abhor's synonyms include detest, hate, loathe, despise, abominate, dislike, disdain, disrelish, and generally just really not liking something at all. Antonyms include love, respect, admire, cherish, like, and adore. See if you can notice anything that you abhor today. It could be a disgusting food or a boring TV show. Either way, impress your parents by using your new word, abhor. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.